We got you the black ice, my bro.
Hey, double all
Clean this shit.
Oh, hold on.
We did the tires, my nigga.
Hold on, my nigga.
Check out the motherfucking wheels.
You want some more? Hey, get the spray.
And we got the spray for you, my nigga. So when you want to clean your shit, my nigga, we got the spray for you, my nigga.
That's wonderful.
You gave him the swishers?
Yeah.
Park that.
They cleaned the whip. TMARTtv, they didn't clean it. Smell good though. Smell good though.
That nigga grown. Alright, we'll go park.
You see that's what she just did?
We done with our job.
Back to the video shoot.
Yes, sir.
Fucking hold this for me. All right, man. Back to the video shoot. What's the track called again? Gram up. That's what the fuck we about to do right now. Finally, these niggas here. Brought a nigga car. Wash. Kind of clean. It's nice. About to pull off, so that's it, man.
Homie got a Range Rover. Look at this Range
This
Rover.
little range, nigga.
Range Rover, man.
Watch the crib.